Hello, today I'm going to be making a small French rolling pin out of this piece of oak. This is a nice easy spindle project that I'm going to do, and if you are interested in buying the finished product, it will be available on my Etsy store. Okay, so I have the blank mounted. I'm going to rough it out and turn this, and I'll come back to you before I sand and finish it. Okay, so I have it turned. There's this little wormhole here. I think I'm going to fill that with some CA glue, so I'll show you the process of that. I'll be using thick CA for this because it's a bigger hole. Couple tiny spots here. Activator. I will wait for that to dry, and then I'll add some more. Okay, it's dry. Okay, I will sand this and finish it. I'm going to be using the goat finish. This to finish it. So I'll do a time lapse of sanding and finishing, and I will show you when it is done. Okay, so I sanded and finished it, and I cut it off and just sanded up the ends a bit on my 1x30" belt sander, and I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Made out of oak. The ends look nice. So thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.